Hoping, baby, maybe you'd be as messed up as me.
All right, 1966 Jaguar S-Type, very sporty car. We are showing 23,645 miles. Judging by the looks and the amount of restoration work that's been done, I would suggest it is 123,000. But nonetheless, it's in great shape, and a lot of things have been restored or refreshed. We have speedometer working, RPM gauge working, clock does not seem to be working. Right now it's showing, what is that, 11:30, so we'll see if that moves. Water temp is working. Oil pressure gauge does not seem to be working. Fuel gauge works on both tanks, so that's awesome. Amp meter is working. I did not get a blower motor to come on. Oh, there it is. Look, all the dust coming out of there. The blower motor does work. Panel lighting, it's way too sunny to be able to tell you if it's working or not. Interior map light. Map light would be down here. I'm not seeing it. No horn. Radio's an aftermarket unit, works great. What other little things? Wipers work, washer, pump. I don't even hear it running. Could be a wiring issue, could be something small. Signals. I think they're working. I hear a click, but there's no indicator. All windows work. Vent windows are in great shape. Fronts and rears. Mirror has a day-night switch that works good. Visors are definitely homemade, but they work. Other than that, those are just little things, really. This motor hums right along. Cruise is great. It's an automatic. I don't think that's very common in these. And it shifts one. Very comfy, smooth riding. This has the independent rear suspension. I'll get some photos of that. We'll put it on a lift and look under this car. Very cool suspension design. Very sought after early on by hot rodders and otherwise to make their bucket tees or whatever they were building ride extra nice. Nice firm shifts. Track straight. Doing about 65 right now, just over 2200 RPM. No rattles or clanks or anything. LED upgraded. Little rubbing in the steering wheel, it feels like. Upgraded LED front headlights. Much appreciated when driving in the dark. Great brakes. Handled that corner a little faster, but the suspension is made for that. Very modern feeling ride in this thing. Yeah, this is just one of those little cars that's super fun to ride around in. Good road feel. This is showing 70 miles an hour at 2,500 RPM. Let's verify with our speed app here. 65. 65 miles an hour. So that's cooking right along. Plenty fast. A little bit of wind noise from your vent windows. That's not uncommon in classic cars. I would say it's less than most. These seals are replaceable. They are a bit of a chore, but really enjoying how smooth this thing is and how well it tracks down the road nice and straight. Not correcting a lot and not having to really work driving this car. One more thing, there is an intermediate hold switch on the dash here. I just flipped it on or in. We'll see how that does. I think that's kind of like a sport mode to hold the gear longer, or at least until you let off the accelerator. So you can tell it held that one longer. Throaty little motor. So we'll flip it off now. We'll see if that jumps into direct drive. Check it out on our website, frankmanmotors.com. If you don't see it there, give us a call. Let you know if we still have it or if it's sold. Thanks, guys.